Hello Year 4, welcome to your position and direction tutorial. Can you describe positions on a 2D grid as coordinates in the first quadrant? Can you point to the x-axis on this grid? Can you point to the y-axis? Now point to the 5 on the x-axis and then point to the 9 on the y-axis. Draw your own grid from 1 to 10 on the x-axis and on the y-axis. Remember to use a ruler and that the numbers go on the line, not in between the lines like they do on a bar chart. Use graph or squared paper if you have it, otherwise you will need to measure carefully with your ruler. When drawing your grid, first draw the x and the y-axis with a ruler. Measure 10 centimeters for both axes and slightly mark each 1 centimeter for your grid numbers. Next, draw 2 more lines, both 10 centimeters, so that it looks like a square with 1 centimeter lines marked out all around. Then join up your 1 centimeter markers to create a grid like this. Finally, write in your numbers. Remember, you are numbering the actual lines, not the space in between the lines. Now you are ready to practice plotting coordinates. When reading and plotting coordinates, remember that the first coordinate is always the x-axis and the second coordinate is the y-axis. So for the coordinates 3, 2, the x-axis is 3 and the y-axis is 2. Remember the saying, along the corridor, up the stairs. So along the corridor, you go along the x-axis and up the stairs, which is the y-axis. When plotting the coordinates, make sure you put the cross where the 2 lines meet. So like this first diagram, not like this second diagram. On your grid, have a go at plotting these coordinates. They will all fit onto one grid. And remember the golden rule. Along the corridor and up the stairs. So x-axis first, then y-axis. Your grid should look like this. Now try writing your own coordinates or ask a family member to write some down for you to practice plotting. Goodbye for now.